Hello everyone, I'm Deja. If you do not know, hello, welcome to this series, which is the third day, and it's the 12 days of preparing for a trip. So let's get this day started, and let's get this going. So now I'm back. I am about to go and make me some grits and some eggs, and then after that I am going to watch a movie and try to have a chill, relaxed day because I have not been feeling good to my sinus, and I've just been acting up really bad this past couple of days, and I've been just trying to just chill, relax, so my body can rest up, so I can be resting well and go prepared for this trip, so I can be having fun, having a good time, and not be sick and just irritated and all that. So then after that, around 3 o'clock, I am going to go and pack toiletries, trying to get a few stuff done for the packing situating for this trip. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So basically each day, and as you see in the videos, I'm going to be packing stuff here and there as I go. Except this week, so that way after that a week, I'll be good and go, packed and ready. I'll be good and ready and packed, good and go and ready to have a good trip and not be stressed about the packing situated things, because that stuff can go and get annoying, and yeah. So I'm gonna go finish. So I was supposed to have did this packing at 3 o'clock. It is now 5 o'clock. So I was productive today. I did go and clean the counters, wiped it down, and did dishes. Took out the trash that needs to be done. Pick up more around the house, and also checked the mailbox. So I was productive today. So it's not like I wasted time. I was doing something. So I'm just gonna give myself that because I did do something and not nothing at all. So we're gonna go ahead and get this toiletry bag little thing packed, and let's get started and going. So the rest of my week can be good and ready to go. Yeah. So I am back now, and I am going, after I get it in with the toiletry, it's packed in my bag, ready to go. So that's one thing out of the way. I'm glad I got done today. And now I am going to eat, which I already warmed up, just some nuggets. So I am going to catch y'all guys later. Hope you have a wonderful, peaceful, blessed day. Always stay positive and always have a good, peaceful thought in mind. And stay blessed and humble. And have a good night, and I'm going to catch y'all guys later. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and have a good one. And as I always say, deuces, Beluches.